Trump's tariffs shook global trade. But were they a bold move to protect American jobs or a risky strategy that hurt consumers? In this video, I'm breaking down the impact of Trump's tariff policies, who they helped, who they hurt, and whether they worked as intended. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What are tariffs? A tariff is basically a tax on imported goods. The Trump administration imposed billions in tariffs, especially on Chinese products, aiming to reduce the trade deficit and bring back American manufacturing. Supporters say it pushed some companies to buy American. But critics argue it raised prices on everyday goods, from electronics to washing machines, costing U.S. households around $800 per year. Now let's talk about the global fallout. China retaliated with tariffs of their own, hurting U.S. farmers and exporters. Some supply chains shifted to countries like Vietnam and Mexico, but not necessarily back to the U.S. So, were Trump's tariffs good or bad? The answer depends on who you ask. They did shake up global trade, but their long-term benefits, or damage, are still being debated. What do you think? Smart move or economic misfire? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns like this.